again.
Hi guys, welcome back to PuffGirl Nylia channel.
Hi guys, back to my channel. Today I'm doing tree slime. Raise your hand, you'll count this 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Okay, you guys, so today we're gonna do
52.
the mystery goo versus
That's Ryan slime.
the Cutie Tootsie surprise versus the Putty slime.
But not any putty slime is glow in the dark putty slime.
It's color change.
Color change.
Okay, guys, so let's get started.
I'm gonna do the Ryan one first.
Go ahead.
How you do it?
Let me see.
I might have Sharpie nails. Hey! I put the open it. Oh, it's
Show. Go ahead, open it. Yep.
Oh, you can.
Ooh.
Ryan for color is blue. I know, can I watch on video? It's cool. Ah! You bust it. Ew. I can't do this. I gotta. Ah! Goopy. Didn't know that. Take this out. Okay, this is Goopy. Ryan slime is Goopy. Ew, what is this?
Ooh, I want to play. So it's mystery goo. So this is the Ryan slime. Put it on the table so they can see.
This is so gooey.
Gooey.
Gooey. This is so gooey.
Ooh, yes.
No.
That feels so nasty. All right.
It's sticky.
So what you think about Ryan slime? Well, Ryan goo.
Yeah, it feels good.
Ooh.
It's gross. Wait, let me see this.
No, it's like water. Water slime. Goo. Hence the name, goo.
It's gooey.
It is gooey. Ew.
Ugh. The lady just made slime and it's goopy. Wait, let me see this. I think we got this one.
Here come the glob. The glob. Monster.
The globby bluey. My name is Globby.
Okay, guys, so we're going to move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Put that back in here.
That's sticky.
Okay, go wash your hands first real quick.
Yeah.
So try the next one out.
And you got 2.
Yep, I'm about to wash mine after I put it up. You guys, as you can see, this is series 2. So I believe we have this blue. Bubble blue. So this one is next. Zuru. The Putty. Go ahead.
What do you guys out?
Go, put it in front of the table so we can see. Ooh, look at the egg. Color change. Let me open it.
No? Oh, I haven't opened it.
Ew.
Oh,
Let me read the
what's in
instructions.
here?
Let me read it first.
That is the paper. We got pink glow in the dark slime. This hope it did not glue like the other slime. Ew.
Let me see. You got it?
Ew, what is this?
Put it up here so I can see.
This one clearly got purple.
Oh, this one, yeah. This one's harder. Definitely harder than the other one.
Yeah.
This is definitely Putty.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, plus the color change. So let's see. Oh, I took over.
Oh, it's color changing.
Ooh.
It's like you go on glob, like you like you breaking cereal, breaking cookies apart and putting in a milkshake. I want to see. I want to do it.
Okay.
Mommy, look. Mommy, look at this bit. Look.
Okay, you ready to move on to the next one?
But we gotta figure out how it's catching. I'm putting a blue part.
Okay, go wash your hands so you come back and do a next one, another one.
Oh.
So you guys, this is the Putty.
Wash my hand with soap is water. You gotta wash the journal with soap. Well, that was a lot to move on, right? To wash your hands. We got to the pair to wash your hands.
So what you think about that slime?
That was pretty good because it's not sticky.
Was it sticky?
Yeah, because like rice slime is super like rally and little slicking.
It's gooey. Okay.
Gooey.
So the last and final one. This is what you've been waiting for.
Yeah.
Okay. How we open this?
You need your scissors to open it. Let me cut this.
So it's 30 and more slime, and you can collect 25 and more Cutie Tootsie.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay,
Here.
I know. I'm so happy. Ooh. I'll take the trash.
Let me go. This who we got. It feels so cool. Oh, I feel the slime. I gotta open it.
I'm gonna let you open it. Go ahead, open it. Ooh, glittery. So what kind of wait before you open it. So what kind of slime can you get first?
I think this one.
No, name them. What kind of slime can you get out of here?
Putty. Marshmallow, water. Wait, I'm thinking this. Bouncy. And crunch.
Good job.
Can I open this?
Yep, open it.
Wait. Oh, I'm gonna go like this. How do you open this?
Let me see.
I'm gonna hurt it. Oh, let me do it.
Oh, you got water. You got another water.
I feel like water. Feel it.
Hey, come on, you gotta squeeze it out. I'm gonna let you squeeze it. Go ahead. There's a surprise in there. Put all the glue out. And you got another water.
Yeah, what is happening right now?
We on a water roll today. Water slime. All water. All gooey.
But
so all the slime is out.
Look at this goopy. I did not know you get water.
What kind of slime did you want? The Putty? Huh? What kind of slime did you want?
I actually wanted crunchy.
Crunchy?
Yeah, cause I heard. Do you hear that crunchy sound?
Ooh, let me see. Ooh, it's definitely water.
How do you break it apart? Okay. There.
I got the big one. Ooh.
No, I want to switch.
So what slime you like the best out of all three?
I want this one. Yeah, my hands are like
definitely water. I wanted the marshmallow slime.
I like to hear the crunch in it. Like that. This is definitely water because look. This can't eat like.
They can't see like that. Yeah, you better take them.
You see, guys, this is a goopy slime. It's so goopy.
Oops. I'm gonna have to put this in a little baggie or something so it don't dry out. put in a little container. The poop, blue glittery poop. So next she's gonna open up the surprise she had inside, so we can see which one she got.
You see it? They're going to get something put in it. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I think we got some.
Ooh, look at the lashes. It's a unicorn cat, unicorn seal.
No, the unicorn mermaid.
Yeah, it's a unicorn cat mermaid. A unicorn cat mermaid.
Oh, this one is so better. This one's better.
Okay, let's see her name. Let me find her name. You think you can find her right here?
Uh-huh.
Let's see.
I want to find it. Right here.
Yeah, let me show them. So we have this one. Under the Pacific, we have Splash. And we end up getting a blue water slime.
I have a good idea. You put her in here.
So we have that one.
Oh, I put her in here.
I think I would have liked, ooh, this one, I like this one. Prism.
I have a good idea. Ooh, look.
Ooh, and Paddle.
The gear in the water.
Thorn. Twiggy.
I gotta wash my hands again. I want to play with all the slime.
I guess she is a water creature.
Do not make
She won't even stand up. I mean, stay up straight.
You gotta wash your hands. Ah!
Ooh.
I'm playing with all the slime.
Okay, guys, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Click that pink like button.
Pink like button?
Uh-huh.
It ain't pink.
Please.
Okay, what slime you like the best out of all three?
I like the Ryan slime better.
Okay, so the Ryan slime won. Bye.
Wait, no.
What? Come on.
I like this one.
You like the Putty?
I like this one. I like all them. They all cool.
She like all the slime. So bye.